Apollo.io sequences are automated workflows for sales outreach, designed to engage leads through a series of emails, tasks, and follow-ups. This video will guide you through setting up effective sequences in Apollo.io, covering essential steps, rules, and best practices to maximize your lead generation and nurturing efforts. As of 2026, sequences can incorporate AI-driven personalization for best results. The first step in setting up an effective Apollo.io sequence is to clearly define your ideal customer profile, or ICP. This is a detailed description of the type of customer who would benefit most from your product or service. Once you have defined your ICP, the next step is to import relevant contacts into Apollo.io. You can upload your own lists or search Apollo's database of over 300 million contacts to find prospects that match your criteria. After importing, enrich these leads with additional data such as job titles, company details, and contact information. You can use Apollo's built-in enrichment tools or import data from external platforms like LinkedIn. To ensure targeted messaging, segment your contact lists based on criteria from your ICP. This allows you to send personalized sequences to different groups, improving engagement and response rates. When importing and segmenting data, always ensure compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA 2.0. Avoid violations such as improper data collection or failure to obtain consent, as these can result in significant penalties. To begin building your sequence, navigate to the Sequence Builder within Apollo.io. This powerful tool provides a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to design your workflow visually, making it easy to add steps like emails, calls, or tasks. The drag-and-drop interface lets you arrange sequence steps intuitively. You can set conditions, delays, and triggers for each step, creating automated workflows that guide prospects through your sales funnel. Start by creating a new sequence and giving it a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. For example, cold email outreach for tech startups clearly indicates the target audience and goal. Consider the overall goal of your sequence, such as cold emailing to generate initial interest, follow-ups to nurture existing leads, or drip campaigns to maintain engagement over time. This goal will influence how you structure the steps and what content you include. Populate your sequence with different types of steps. You can add emails to send messages, calls to schedule phone outreach, and tasks like LinkedIn messages to engage prospects through multiple channels. For each email step, craft compelling subject lines and body content. Use engaging subjects that reference the prospect's company, and write personalized body text that addresses them by name. Utilize personalization variables like first name and company to tailor your outreach. This makes your emails feel more personal and increases engagement. Incorporate delays between steps to give prospects time to respond. For example, wait 3 days before sending a follow-up email. Add conditional logic to your sequence. For example, if there's no reply to the initial email, automatically send a follow-up message. Consider using AI-generated emails to improve response rates. AI can help create more effective subject lines and content tailored to your prospects. Setting rules and triggers is crucial for automated sequence activation. Triggers are events that start or advance your sequences automatically. Common triggers include when an email is opened or when you manually add a contact to the sequence. Rules help control your sequences to avoid oversending. A key rule is limiting the number of emails per contact to prevent spam complaints. We recommend allowing no more than 5 emails per contact. Finally, configure automatic opt-out handling to comply with data privacy laws. This ensures contacts can easily unsubscribe and their requests are processed automatically to maintain legal compliance. Personalization is key to effective outreach. Use dynamic fields like contact first name and company to create tailored messages that feel personal and relevant to each recipient. Personalized emails significantly boost engagement. Studies show users experience an average 22% increase in open and response rates when using hyper-personalized content. A/B testing helps identify the most effective email templates. Test different subject lines and content variations to optimize your messaging. AI can optimize send times and content based on prospect behavior. Analyze data from your tests to improve future campaigns. Use these insights to continuously optimize your sequences for better lead engagement and higher conversion rates. When setting up sequences in Apollo.io, it's crucial to prioritize compliance with global data privacy laws and maintain ethical practices to build trust and avoid legal risks. The General Data Protection Regulation requires a structured approach to data privacy, including reflecting on your data practices, reviewing compliance, confirming protections, securing data, planning ongoing measures, and maintaining vigilance. The California Consumer Privacy Act mandates several rights for consumers, including the right to disclosure of data collection, access to their information, opt-out of sales and marketing, deletion of data, fair treatment, and updated privacy policies. Always ensure you have explicit consent from individuals before including them in your email sequences. This builds trust and complies with privacy regulations. Include prominent and easy-to-use opt-out mechanisms in your emails and sequences, allowing recipients to unsubscribe at any time. Prevent your sequences from feeling impersonal by balancing automation with human-like interactions. Use AI ethically to personalize outreach and reduce spam complaints, always prioritizing consent-based practices. Automatically remove any contacts who have unsubscribed from your lists to minimize legal risks and maintain compliance with privacy laws. Regularly monitor the performance of your sequences to ensure they are effective. Track key metrics that provide insights into how your outreach is performing. Analyze the data from these metrics to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Look for trends in when emails are opened, what content gets clicked, and which prospects are most engaged. Use these insights to optimize your sequences. Adjust messaging to be more compelling, change timing to reach prospects when they are most active, and refine targeting to focus on the most promising leads. Incorporate omni-channel strategies to enhance engagement. Blend emails with SMS and social media messages to reach prospects through multiple channels, creating a more cohesive and effective nurturing process.